Hey y'all, so it's 4:15 a.m. as you can see in Los Angeles. It's 2 weeks in. Let's see how much I weigh. So I weigh 213 pounds, 213.2 to be exact. So that's 2 weeks in. That's pretty good. I started at 222. So I've lost 9 pounds total in 2 weeks on the paleo diet. This week I was a bit more strict. So 213, that's still good. That's great actually. 9 pounds in 2 weeks. I'm feeling a lot better. I am exercising a lot more now. The first times I tried to do this diet, I wasn't. I'm just doing that just to make my body feel good, get the good energy coming in from exercise as well. It's mostly like weightlifting. I do jump a little bit of jumping jacks as well now, but who knows if it's helping or not. I think it's mostly the diet, because if I wasn't doing this, I still would lose this amount of weight, but it feels good. So check in next week. Right now it's 2 weeks in, 9 pounds lost.
Just so they could see me, did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.